It's your boy Big Zot, and you're now tuned in to Ruckus, Mayhem, and Madness TV. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing a reaction to the Hennessy Rose Box Chevy. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Woo-hoo! I see from the jump, he went to the dentist. He went to Dr. Tierra. Now, mind you, from what I seen, this box was built at least 5-6 years ago. So around 2019, this box was built. Now, this to me, this is one of the, hands down, one of the hardest boxes I done seen. And built before ahead of its time like that. Good God. I'm talking about he got root beer float. He got root beer float paint. Then he got 2 ball spots at the top. Then he got government approved Section 8 on the back. Oh my God. Listen, everything, all the molding gold, the front and back bumper gold. Good God. Good God. Everything touched, everything did. Everything touched like your BM. Everything been touched like your BM. Good God. Forward 9-inch. So now what I did notice, it don't look like it's frame off. It don't look like it's frame off, but look at the detail and look at the overall condition of the car. Everything looked good. It looked like it's frame off though, but look at it. I can't even lie. Now that console going down the back, that's hard. With the Hennessy Rose in there, good God. Now let me remind you again, this was done about 2020, 2019. We talking 5, 6, 7 years ago now. He got that Moet. Everything been touched. See, you can't say that about your BM. Your BM been touched. Your BM came with 3, 4, 5 jits, and you ain't had none. And you settled. You settled. He got 2 ball spots. He might need to go to Turkey like I did. My hand to the Lord, I ain't even gonna lie to you. This one of the hardest box Chevys I have seen. This one of the hardest box Chevys I have seen. And if you say that you don't like this shit, you hating, and I'll slap you right now. Yeah. If you say you don't like this and it's ugly, I'll slap you right now, for real. Come on. Corvette motor. What's that? 5.7 liter? Good God. Look at the grill on it. Dr. Tierra? Good God. Look at the back. Look at all the trimming on the bumper. Everything look good. Got that squat down just perfect. Right on the back of the lip. Tucking the tire. Good. Look like about a 6-7 inch lip. Everything sitting good. Everything color coordinated. Everything matching. Root beer float. Good. Yeah, man. This one of the hardest box Chevys that I definitely like and that I have seen built. Look, it don't look like it's frame off, but the quality of what's been done to the car overrule all that. It don't have to be frame off. To me, it don't have to be frame off. All the door panels was good. Whoever did that interior did a wonderful job on that interior, for sure. Good. Dash. Look at all that. Man, that's detail. Now, that's how you build a car. Look at the trunk. That's how you build a car. That's how you do it. See, what I really like about it, he ain't do no half stepping. He really put his heart and soul into it. Like the trimming of the car, like the trimming on the windshield, the trimming, everything around is matching. It ain't chrome and gold and another color here and another color there. Nah, everything is color coordinated together. Like this really show really dedication and passion in a love and a craft or something. Like he ain't do no half stepping. He really came with it. Look, even the back light setup, the trimming around that is gold. Like it ain't no. I see that a lot. Where it might be chrome around something, then another part be gold. Cool, I get it, but he ain't come no half stepping. He ain't half step with it. He came all the way with it. And like, yeah, it ain't got to be frame off. Drop down in the comments and put how much you think this car was done for. How much you think they put into this car. Drop down in the comments. That car got car jewelry. I think he went to Eliante. Look at the back dash. Look at the back. Look at them pillow top seats. Real good stitching. Stern and wheel to match. Yeah, he went to Eliante. He got a lot of car jewelry. Good. Yeah, man. Everything look good to me, man. Everything look good. Flawless. Like I like it. I like it. I can't say I don't. I like it. Everything about it. Yeah, this was a good project. This was a good build right here. See, I can appreciate something like this because, like I say, he went over and beyond. He ain't half step, and it ain't got to be frame off. Look at the trimming in gold. Yeah, that's it. The headlight, the bezel around that, gold. Yeah, he did his thing on this one. Hey, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Cause when I drop these banger videos, I want y'all to be tuned in so y'all can see. Yeah. Yeah, he put his foot in that one. He put his foot in. He got a 32 wall. You know what I'm saying? He went to Gleeful Grills on that. God damn. Listen, man, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Like I say, when I drop these videos, I want y'all to be tuned in. Hey, over and out.